Sandy Kreps, and today I'm going to show you how to properly store a leather jacket. If you don't store your leather jacket just right, it can end up dry and brittle and just not looking good for the next season. But I can show you a few quick tips that'll help you store it the correct way so that it'll be looking new and beautiful for years to come. First thing you want to do is make sure you get your leather jacket professionally cleaned. If you have any kind of stains or body oils or food products on there, you're going to want to get those off so they don't attract insects. Then you want to make sure you choose the right hanger. Pick something that's nice and sturdy and that's the right width for the jacket so that it has plenty of support and it's not going to have any kind of sagging on it. Now you're going to want to make sure and wipe it off really good just to make sure there's no dust on it. I just use a simple microfiber cloth, nothing on it, to just kind of wipe it clean, make sure there aren't any dust particles or anything like that on it. Now what you're going to do is take a little bit of acid-free tissue paper and you're just going to kind of shove it right in here into the arms, just enough to keep the arms from collapsing in on themselves. So you want those shoulders to stay nice and rounded. And the tissue paper is also going to help draw any moisture out so that it doesn't ruin the jacket. Make sure you always zip up your jacket and all the buttons are buttoned so that it hangs just the right way. This is definitely one of the cases you don't want to use plastic. Choose something made of fabric that can breathe because you want your leather to be able to breathe and not get too stuffy in there. Hang your jacket in the bag. For leather, I only store one leather jacket per garment bag because you don't want them rubbing up against each other, particularly if you have different colors of jacket, like a black one and a brown one. You want to keep them separated. So put them in there like that. If you want an extra layer of protection, you can put a white sheet over it. Then just zip it up and store this in a cool, dry place away from excess humidity and swings in temperature. And it will be looking good as new when the next season starts and you need your jacket again.